Hello everyone. In this video I am going to teach you one of the intermediate type of question which have appeared in most of the time at digital SAT math question. So without any delay, let's go through the question. The question has given an expression which is 0.25 x square plus 0.56 x plus 1.52. The given expression can be rewritten as a 3x square plus 7x plus 19, where a is equals to constant. What is the value of a? So we are told to take out the value of a, and most of the students, what they do is, whenever they see this type of question, they, without any wasting time, they start to jot down in the paper. But you must use trick, you must utilize your Desmos strategy, okay, to save your precious time in the exam. So what we'll do here is, we'll directly write down the expression and we'll equate with this expression, and we'll take out the value of a. Most of the students, what they do is, they multiply and make them as 3x square like this, 7, 19, and then they take out the constant from the bracket and try to equate with a, and it takes a lot of time. So instead you must do exam like this, just see and learn from it, okay, so that your precious time won't be go in the exam like that, okay. So what you will do here is, will just while equating, you must assign with x1, okay, and then now we'll equate with 3x1 square plus 7x1 plus 19, and now as you can see that x1 equals to 1, which is itself the Desmos is suggesting, but we haven't told the x1 equals to 1. So what we'll do here is, x1 equals to, we'll put random value 5, okay. Now as you can see that now we have put already random value of x1. Now when we'll do a, the answer is 2/25, okay. So this is our actual answer of this question. So whenever you see this type of question, just directly go into the Desmos without wasting any time and just follow this step. You will probably do within some seconds instead of writing it down in the paper, okay. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt, please comment down below.